Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to share your screen in Discord on PC and mobile. Subscribe to Guide Mandatory and let's go. To share your screen on PC, first of all go to Discord user settings, gear icon next to your profile name and scroll down to voice and video section, and here make sure you've selected correct devices and these devices work properly. Now select your input mode, voice activity or push to talk. For voice activity you can adjust input sensitivity or set automatic input sensitivity. And now close the settings and join to voice channel on any server or start a voice call. Let's join to voice channel. Now you can share your screen, just click on this icon. Now you can select from applications, screen or capture devices. Let's share the whole screen. Now you can choose your screen resolution. Higher resolution are available with Nitro subscription only. Select your frame rate. Also decide do you wish to share or not share your system audio. And show or hide stream preview. And just go live. Now you're sharing your screen on PC. You can do the same in, let's disconnect from the voice channel. You can do the same in voice calls. Let's start voice call. Here is your button, share your screen, and do the same thing. On a mobile device, it's even simpler. Just join voice channel or start voice call. Let's join voice channel, join voice. And now on this bottom panel, swipe up from the bottom and tap on share your screen. Try it out. You can cast a single app or entire screen. And now let's just start. And now you are sharing your screen on mobile in Discord. That's pretty it, guys. I hope this was helpful. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and be awesome. Bye.